So I just tried to synchronize my first change back to GitHub, and VS Code gave me an error. When I investigated, I didn't see anything that stood out, so I clicked the button again and it worked. So if you run into a similar error in your own commits and synchronization of changes, it's worth trying again and seeing what happens. So let's try a second commit and see if we get something similar. I suspect we probably won't. I think that ultimately the issue was a matter of synchronizing credentials and timing. So I'm still in this hello.md file, and I'm going to write a new message. So the title is still hello world. Instead of this is a test, let's say something like, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's chipper and optimistic. So once I make that change, you can see a couple things. We see the source control button here has that circle 1 again, indicating that there is a new pending change. And the file, hello.md, now has this M, which indicates that the file has been modified. And sure enough, if I hover over the file name, I can see the state of the file is modified. So let's go over to the source control pane. We click this button and we see a couple things. We see the graph of our history, and we see the list of new changes. So we follow the same process for this change as we did for adding a new file that was previously untracked. We stage the change. And then once the change is staged, we add a commit message. So these messages should be short but informative. So let's do something like I changed the message in hello.md to be more positive. Once we do that, we click the commit button. And we can see that that new change shows up here in the graph. And now we have a history. And we can see where we are locally. That's what this blue main means. And we can see where GitHub currently thinks things are. So GitHub, it has a change here that we have, but we have something locally that GitHub doesn't have. So when we click sync changes, then we're going to push the commit that we just made up to GitHub. And then GitHub and our local copy of the code will be fully synchronized. And when I click that button, this action will pull and push commits from and to origin/main. That's fine. I can click OK, don't show again. And there we go. Both GitHub and our local changes are fully synchronized. So if I switch back to our GitHub repo webpage, here demo repo 1 has this information, but if I hit refresh, this is stale, so this will all disappear. So I hit refresh, and we can see something completely new. We see the list of files. So we've got hello.md, and we've got hello world. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And we can see that there have been 2 commits. And if I click there, I can see the list of commits, and I can see as much detail about those as I want. And so at this point, we've made 2 changes, and we've pushed those changes to GitHub.